Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Eh, di sini saya akan mengerjakan tugas besar bahasa Inggris, yaitu membacakan, eh, eh, memaparkan sesuatu dengan narasi bahasa Inggris. Oke, di sini saya akan mulai. Enjoy the video. Good night, everyone. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Ginanjar Husni Mubarak. And I am from Informatik High School of STT Cipasung, and I am live in Ciawi, Tasikmalaya. I am a person who enjoys learning new things, especially photography. In the future, I hope to achieve my dreams of becoming photographer. Here I will explain a little about photography technique. Understanding photography techniques with a camera. Photography is the art of capturing moment through a camera lens to achieve stunning photographs. It is essential to understand the basic techniques that every photographer should know. This technique will help you create visually a feeling and meaningful image. One of the fundamental techniques is exposure. It refers to the amount of light that enters the camera and reaches the sensor. Exposure is controlled by three main elements. 1. Aperture, 2. Shutter speed, and 3. ISO. The aperture determines how much light enters the lens. A wide aperture, low f number, lets in more light, creating a shallow depth of field, while a narrow aperture, high f number, allow less light, making more of the scan appear in focus. Shutter speed controls how long the camera sensor is exposed to light. A fast shutter speed freezes motion, making it ideal for capturing action shots. On the other hand, a slow shutter speed can create motion blur, which is useful for creative effects like light trails. ISO refers to the camera sensitivity to light. Low ISO setting produces clear and sharp image in bright conditions, while a high ISO is used in low light situation. However, using a high ISO might introduce noise or grain in the photo. Another important technique is composition. This involves arranging the element within the frame to create a balanced and visually pleasing image. The rule of thirds is above a guideline where the frame is divided into 9 equal sections by 2 horizontal and 2 vertical lines. Placing the subject along these lines or at their intersection can create a more dynamic composition. Finally, focusing is crucial to ensure your object is the sharp and clear. Cameras offer both manual and automatic focusing modes. In manual mode, the photographer adjusts the focus ring on the lens. Automatic mode always allows the camera to focus on the subject automatically, but it may require adjustment depending on the situation. Mastering this technique will improve your photography skill and help you capture image that tell compelling stories with practice and creativity. Anyone can become a great photographer by learning how to use their camera effectively. Dan itu tadi saya menjelaskan tentang apa settingan settingan yang ada di kamera, dari mulai ISO, shutter speed, dan aperture. Dan sekarang saya di sini akan menceritakan tentang serunya menjadi seorang fotografer yang setiap waktunya dia menangkap sebuah momen yang tidak akan pernah terlupakan. Okay. Next, diary. Being a photographer is both a thrilling and rewarding experience. Every shoot tells a unique story, and there's nothing quite like the satisfaction of capturing a perfect moment with just the right expression, like and emotion. 1. Exploring new places. Photographers often get to travel to various locations, from stunning natural landscapes to hidden city corners. Every place offers a different vibe and atmosphere, making each shoot an exciting adventure. The journey of discovering new shoots keep the passion alive. 2. Meeting diverse people. Photography brings you closer to people from a walk of life, whether it's a wedding couple, model, or a public figure. Each interaction offers new stories and lessons. This exposure helps photographers understand personalities and adapt their style to capture each subject essence. 3. Capturing emotion and stories. Photography goes beyond taking pictures. It's about preserving emotion and stories in a single frame. The challenge of capturing authentic laughter, tears, or silent reflection is what makes photography so fulfilling. 4. The last, unleashing creativity. Every photography is a work of art. Photographers constantly push their creative boundaries, experimenting with angles, lighting, and composition. The endless possibilities make the process enjoyable and never monotonous. Being a photographer means seeing the world different, finding beauty in simple things, and telling stories through visual that can last lifetime. It's a journey of passion, exploration, and continuous learning. Oke, itu mungkin dari saya tentang mengenai tugas ini, dan saya di sini berucap terima kasih dengan bahasa Indonesia karena mungkin bahasa Inggris saya sangat bisa dibilang kurang, tapi saya di sini setidaknya bisa membaca dan bisa mengucapkan tentang tata pembacaan bahasa Inggris. Saya juga mulai sering suka dengan buku-buku bahasa Inggris, buku-buku yang bernaskahkan bahasa Inggris, yang berbahasa Inggris. Dan di situ saya belajar untuk mencoba membiasakan penataan dari bahasa Inggris tersebut. Oke, mungkin sekian. Mohon maaf Pak jika banyak kekurangan dari saya, karena ya anak baru dan mungkin kalau semisal kurang maksimal karena dikarenakan banyak tugas yang menumpuk dan mengejar sekali deadline-nya, jadi kurang matang dalam persiapan. Mungkin itu saja yang bisa saya kerjakan di tugas ini. Oh ya, sebelumnya saya di sini menjadi agen tur umroh. Jangan lupa Bapak di luar negeri kalau misalnya ada mau umroh bisa hubungi saya Pak. Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.